Hi everybody, I'm JT. Welcome to another video from me here at Campervan Journey, where today we're going to be testing out a very interesting piece of kit from Allpowers, the Allpowers R1500 Powerstation. Now I'm lucky enough with the Campervan Journey YouTube channel to get asked every now and again to try out and review some products from various different manufacturers. Some of them are quite exciting, some of them are a little bit not exciting, but this one is something that would prove really useful for us as campers, and for many of you watching the channel it could be very interesting as well. So let's set it up and let's have a look at the Allpowers Powerstation, and also it's got an added benefit of having a solar panel charging option as well. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the product and hopefully show you how it works. Treat myself with a nice latte made here in the middle of the Wiltshire countryside. Okay, so we're up here at Old Sarum Airfield watching the parachutists take some jumps, and it's the perfect place to come and spend the morning enjoying the spring sunshine, but also to tell you a little bit about this new Allpowers Powerstation. We'll just let the plane take off. So this Allpowers Powerstation enables you to use a load of electrical devices whilst you're out and about in your campervan or you're enjoying any other outdoor activities. A power station is something that we've been considering purchasing for some time, so to have the opportunity to test one of these out from Allpowers has been great, and I really appreciate them sending me one to try out. We've managed to get a discount code for any of the viewers watching this video. I've put it in the description below. The pricing, current pricing does fluctuate, but at the moment the units are cheapest through Allpowers' own website, but also available through Amazon, and for a limited time there's a discount code that you can use as well. So check out the description below to find those links and also to find the best prices for this product. But let me tell you a little bit more about it. So it comes with a multitude of connectors that you can use to power up many different devices. If I just show you what they are. So we have USB A and C connector points on the front. These are activated by pushing a little power on button here. You can see you've got 4 different devices you can plug in there. On the opposite side, a traditional 12-volt cigarette lighter unit, which is actually very useful for a number of camping devices. So our camping fridge that we've got behind us, which I'm going to use on the test in a moment, has got a 12-volt and a traditional 240-volt plug. There are 4 regular 240-volt plugs running along the front, all with these nice rubber protector covers. And then on the top we have 2 wireless charging mounts, which you can pop your mobile on to charge at 15 watts. Now we've been using this to charge our mobiles, and it's actually been a really great way of getting charged through. Now we've got a really nice display of the total battery power, the power charge coming in, power usage going out, and also the time remaining, usage time remaining at the current rate of usage. So a lot of useful information on the LCD display. But in addition to that, Allpowers have also provided an app that you can have on your phone, which not only enables you to see the charge state or usage state for the power station, but also to be able to control it. So to control some of the features, on and off switch between different rates of charge, and that is all free and provided. The link is provided within the documentation that you've got. And then on the opposite end, on the two ends, we've got some inputs here. So we have a power in socket for an AC charge, for a traditional wall plug to charge the unit up from scratch. The override protection switch, so if you do have a power overload, then you can just reset. And then this socket here is for plugging in the optional solar charge panels, which we'll show you how those work in a moment. Now the device also has got the ability to expand the battery. So you've got the main battery unit within here, which is around, I'll put all the technical details on the screen with all the ratings for you. But you can buy some additional batteries that you can plug in and utilise the charge. So to expand the charge, expand the capacity, lengthen the usability of the unit. So it's 11 o'clock, it's a nice spring morning, and I'm ready for a cup of coffee. So let's test out the unit and see how it functions. So what else comes in the box? I mean, first of all, when the unit arrived with me, I couldn't believe how well packaged it was. You can really tell the quality of a product by the packaging that the items delivered in. We've got a warranty booklet with all the warranty information you can register online, a detailed instruction manual, but you can also download the instructions from the website. Nice little storage pouch, and then within here we've got a number of different cables. So the link up for the solar panels, the main AC charge cable, a 12-volt plug-in charge cable, and again a nice little storage pouch to keep all of those nice and tidy. So let's go and find the kettle. So this is a real-time test. I haven't tried this before. I've got my little camping kettle, which is rated, I think, around about 650 watts. So kettles do use quite a lot of energy, but we should be more than up to the job with this, hopefully. Plugged in one of the regular 3-pin plugs here. Turn the power on here. Okay, so the kettle is boiling. It's using a little bit of power, as you might imagine, but we'll see how long it takes. Oh, so there we are, just 2 minutes, probably not even that, and we are boiling. Now we have used, I don't know if you can see this on the display, we have used 8% of our power. But I'll let that just cool off, pop that through my coffee filter, and then whilst that's doing that, I fancy a latte, so let's run the milk frother as well and see how we get on with that. Well, it's working, which is good news. Do love a frothy coffee. Smells good. on very frothy coffee. Okay, so using two quite power hungry devices with the kettle and the milk frother, I've made myself a very nice latte, which is definitely hot and definitely tasty. And if you didn't catch that, used my AeroPress, which is a very, very simple way of making ground filtered coffee. Yeah, so out in the field, something which has been made a lot easier by having the Allpowers Powerstation, and I used about 12% of its power capacity to do that. So it's obviously fairly power hungry, but as I said, kettle, milk frother, pretty power hungry devices because they're using a lot of energy to create the heat. However, one thing we do have, which is available as an additional upgrade and option, is solar panel. Now, Allpowers have been kind enough to send me the solar panels to try as well. So let's see how we get on with those. Okay, so in this very nice wallet or case that the panels come in, there's 4 panels in total. On the back of the panel, some nice Velcro legs. So just get this set up, pull the legs out. So clearly this is where the Allpowers system comes in with a great advantage for people who haven't got a solar panel already fitted to their van. That is something that we had considered doing, but it's a relatively expensive thing to do. These panels at the moment are very, very competitively priced. With all these things, check the Allpowers website, check Amazon as well. Allpowers are currently on their own website cheaper than anybody else, but pricing does vary with different suppliers. But it's a lot cheaper than paying to have a panel fitted on the roof. And the brilliant versatility I've got with this is that given all the different connector cables and adapters that it comes with, I can actually use it to direct charge some other things as well. So my laptop or a tablet, or just using the different connector panels, but different connector links. But the great advantage I've got here at the moment is using the cables in the back. I can plug in and charge the power pack back up. There's a nice little pocket on the back, which I'll show you afterwards. So using just two very simple cables that come directly out of the back of the folding solar panels, I've plugged into the Allpower Powerstation, and looking at the readout now on a bright sunny day with the panels facing directly to the sun, I'm getting a charge reading of, I think it's showing 60 watts input at the moment. Now let's just try as a third device our Total Freeze fridge. Now we take this fridge unit away with us quite often during the summer, definitely when we're camping, quite often on days out as well. It will charge from a 12-volt power supply, the cigarette lighter power supply, when we're driving, which is great. But obviously if you're parked up and stopping overnight, you want to have a reliable long-term source for making sure that your perishables stay cool. So using the power station will enable us to do that. So let me just demonstrate how that works. So we'll plug in to one of the 3-pin sockets on the front. Just heard a beep from the fridge. Power it on. And there we go. We are up and running, the fan's running. So we're good to go. So we could have that running for some time, just at a low level, just to keep things cool. In fact, on the display on the power station, it will give you a countdown in time based on how much time is left available with, or of course, you can check the status using the Allpowers app. Now, when people send me these items to test out, obviously I'm always very grateful to be asked to do so, but I want to try and be as objective as I can about them. So are there any negatives with the Allpowers power station and solar panel? Well, there's a couple. Unit itself, to have a larger battery, means it is pretty heavy. It actually weighs about 16 kilos, which is quite a solid lump. So it's not something that you could carry around easily. It's definitely a two-hand job. I know that they do offer a smaller version, which you'll be able to find on the website, which has a smaller battery but has a single handle for carrying, which you could utilize. But for us, the larger battery capacity is actually preferable because it gives us greater versatility for long term. So whilst it is heavy and bulky, it would be the best option for us to choose. We have, whilst we were charging it up at home, interestingly, using the AC plug-in charger, we've got our internet router set up on a power line system where the Wi-Fi signal is actually sent through the power cables through some of the circuits, electrical circuits in the house. When we plugged the power station in to charge it, it actually interfered with the power in the house. It only did it on that one circuit. If you don't have that set up at home, it's probably not going to affect you at all, but just a point to bear in mind. But overall, as I said right at the beginning, it's a really, really silly thing, but the quality of the packaging that these items came in was exceptional. And I think you can really tell the quality of a product by the quality of the packaging that an item comes in. So if that is any sign of how this power unit is going to be for the long term, then that's fantastic. And I'm definitely looking forward to trying it out for the longer term over as we go into the summer. So thanks very much indeed for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video review of the Allpowers power station and solar panel. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and click the button to subscribe if you want to follow more videos from us here at Campervan Journey. Remember to check out the description for a link to the latest offers from Allpowers for their power stations, and keep an eye out for a discount code as well. But thanks very much indeed for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on another video here on Campervan Journey very, very soon. Thanks for watching.